Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to add welcome bot to Discord. So let's start. First, well, I'm here on the app of Discord, and then let's go to a server here, and then just click here in the name of server, just click, and then just click on app directory, just click here, and then here you will find the app that says Dino. Okay, just click here, and you will click on this app, just click, and then just click on add app. Okay, so you have to trust on it and just visit the site if you want. Just go there, and you will open the new uh, window here, and just click on the password, just log in, and then just click on the server that you want. For example, one this one, and just continue, just click here, and you authorize this app. Just confirm that you're a human, just click there, and here will appear your link file. Just click here, and then just choose your time zone. For example, just click on the American. Okay, so just click here and America, and then just next. Okay, we don't have this one, and just click in general, just click here, and just done. Okay, we don't want the premium version. Just go to models, and just click here and says, for example, welcome, and just click on activate. Just go to settings, and just go to message. Okay, just click on message, and then just click on the welcome channel. I want to in general, and just you have to write the message, welcome to my Discord. Okay, and then just click on update, and that's it. In this way we will share this message, welcome to our Discord app. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.